here's a movie cliche that I can't stand. So, this 9-year-old prodigy, for example, walks into a room full of chess-playing grandmasters and just makes this single move, and everybody's in awe. They go, oh, he knows, he's so brilliant. Or, for another example, John Travolta gets struck by lightning, and all of a sudden he's the smartest person in the world, and he walks by two people playing chess, makes a single move, the game's over. Everybody's in astonishment that he just saw with such perfect clarity this flash of brilliance that is just beyond the typical game player's insight. That is, of course, nonsense, because chess is what's called a perfect information game, which means that everything that you need to know about the present state of the game is right here on the board. Nothing is a secret. All of these games are perfect information games. There's no additional information that you can't see. But, in the case of chess, and, well, lots of these, strategy is developed as a kind of secondary... Strategy is the part that you don't see. It's the plan in the player's head about how he or she wants to proceed that is not a piece of perfect information, because the opponent is not aware of it. So, a game of chess is not won by a single brilliant move. In fact, the whole premise of the game is that it's totally open so that anybody that can see understands just by a single look at the board the entire state of the game. What they don't see is what the player is planning to do next. Now, I'm a chess novice personally, so I can't see more than 2, maybe 3 moves maximum into the future state of the game. Beyond that, it just becomes a nebulous haze of uncertainty that I just can't make predictions about. Really brilliant players can map out many possible game states and future game states well in advance. So, a single move is just... It takes more than a single move to win any game of chess.